Okay, this is grade 11 minor scales lesson. I believe it's 10B and it's your last theory lesson. So today we're going to be dealing with minor scales. So we already know how to do a natural minor scale. So how we do that is we take the key we're given, which in this case is D minor, and we use our minor circle of fifths, and we find that D minor, its key signature is 1 flat. So whatever key we're in, that's our starting note, and then we just go up the alphabet: D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and then back down all the way to D. So we start on D and we end on D. That's called a natural minor scale. So nothing's been altered except we're dealing with a minor key signature using the minor circle of fifths. There's another kind of scale called a harmonic minor scale. So we would do the exact same thing. D minor has the key, has 1 flat, which is B. We're in the key of D minor, so we start on D, and we write the scale: D, E, F, G, A, B, C, all the way up to D. But what's different about a harmonic minor scale is that you're going to raise the 7th note of the scale. So in this case, in the key of D, our 7th note is D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So that means we're going to raise the note C a semitone. So there's no flat or sharps or anything in this particular key on the note C. So how are we going to raise it? Well, it's natural to begin with, so we need to raise it 1 semitone, so we put a sharp on it. So this is what a D harmonic minor scale looks like. Another type of minor scale is a melodic minor scale. Again, same process. We're in the key of D minor. We're going to put that 1 flat in the key signature. We're going to start on D and we're going to write our scale all the way up to the next D. But what's different about a melodic minor scale is that you need to raise the 6th and 7th note on the way up to the top note, but then when you descend the scale and go back down, you need to put that 6th and 7th note back to the way it was. So going up in this particular case, that B is now going to be natural, that C is going to be sharp, and then when we descend, that C is going to go back to natural, and that B is going to go back down to flat. So you want to try not to get these two scales mixed up. So remember, harmonic minor, you raise the 7th, and that's it. Natural minor, you just use a minor key signature, and that's it. And a melodic minor, you raise the 6th and 7th note ascending, and then you lower it back down descending. So those are the 3 minor scales, and here's what they sound like. So here's a natural minor. Here's a harmonic minor. Little different. And here's a melodic minor. I might have to go a bit slower so I don't make a mistake here. So they do sound a little bit different. And the last thing we're going to look at are pentatonic scales. So last year we looked at a major pentatonic scale. So a major pentatonic scale is in a major key. So if we're in the key of D major, we have 2 sharps, Father Charles. Again, we start on D. And what do you notice about this scale? It goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. We are missing the 4th note and the 7th note. And that's what makes it sound really, really bluesy, okay? So a minor pentatonic scale, look at the numbers. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 7, 5, 4, 3, 1. We're missing the 2nd note and the 6th note. but we're also in a minor key signature, so we need our minor circle of fifths. So if we're in the key of D minor, we still need that flat, and then we omit the second and the sixth note, and we have a minor pentatonic scale. So let's listen to the difference. So here is a major pentatonic scale. Kind of bluesy, right? And then here in the same key, I'm going to try, is actually, no, we're going to do A minor because it's easier for me to play. We're going to do a minor pentatonic scale. Okay, see if I can play it. There, pretty cool, eh? So they have a totally different sound. So now you know how to write lots of minor scales. So remember, you'll need your minor circle of fifths, and try not to get harmonic and melodic minor scales mixed up. All right, happy theory writing. Have a good day.